Hi everyone, ahanba maktra experience mayambu current affairs ki series asida GKGS Manipur welcome tawjari. Ngasi su GKGS Manipur 14 of April dagi horakanda 20th April phawta thokiba important events sing the base tawba adumba weekly current affairs ki video class ama experiencing ki damakta pudun laksari. Hariba current affairs ki video class asida class as exam oriented oina tawbani MCQ format oijagani aduga yamna important oiba questions kaya amasu yauri aduna ngasi video class as yamna interesting oigani na khanjai loidrifo yengbiu haina nixingjari masi harakanda class as hauchulasi ahanba class when was World Sagas Disease Day 2025 celebrated and haika World Sagas Day 20 Disease Day 2025 se kram kanda celebrated tawbano han haika bitawde option myam se yengminarsi option number A the 13 April, option number B the 14 April, and option number C the 15 April, and option number D the 16 April. So here are the correct options here. The Chagas disease have to carry no have to hana mixing in the streets. Hana Kang was your Moganica. Chagas disease have to coin American trypanosomiasis hagas kang carry hagaso American trypanosomiasis hagasu kang Karigino have matamda markse trypanosoma cruzi ko parasite amukhang thon bane trypanosoma cruzi ko parasite amukhang thon bane haiba parasite che khoi karai dagi infected kanana karamba agents na hai tare ko transmitted to bono ha matamda trioatomine bugs ana khoi khangna ba sigi bugs trioatomine bugs harakanda khangnaba mokhoigi Latin America gi language ta koina mokhoina kissing bugs harakanda khangnaba sumba bugs ina thon bane ka aduga haiba disease se Carlos Sagasna discover tawe na koina Sagas disease harakanda khangnai and mase 14 April da akoi World Sagas disease day na akoi celebrated toy aduga handak sahi gi theme of 2025 na kari no na haiba matamda prevent control, cure everyone's roles in sagas, everyone's role in sagas disease have a syntax aigi theme name. Six points in Chimay, so I don't understand our in Lauzerageko. With this question number 2, the Muning one who is that is Siasin Day observed to commemorate Operation Magdut. Operation Magdut commemorate Tonabi Damota Siasin Day is a Karma Day observed to Gnonan. Option number A, April 13, option number B, March 31, option number C, March 13, option number D, April 17. Akoi Kangi, Mam so the Ningsing Birangani Operation Magdut Hana Sutaram Monica, Akoi 1994 Matamda. 1994 matamda Siachen Glacier sida khoi Pakistan occupy tawnabu honarpu matamda Indian Army singna masigi Pakistan occupation che prevent tawkibagi adumba operation maming dubo khon ke kawi operation Magdut kawi masi commemorate tawnabugi damakta khoi Siachen Day April 13 da celebrated toy so with this question number 3 the young miners when was World Quantum Day 2025 celebrated every year World Quantum Day se pe sahi kudingi karamba numit celebrate tawbana han masigi quantum day se khoi celebrate tawbana maram che quantum science amasung ma ki impact on society se masigi damakte awareness raise tawna bi damakte celebrate tawbana and every year it was celebrated on 14 April they celebrated tawika aduga handak sahi gi theme maina hai taragadi kari no ha matamda every year every day in 2025 have se World Quantum Day 2025 ki theme sigi points so I ma'am understand our in lawjurage question number 4 dong nurse question number 4 haga dum nika marak to typing mistake yaw basi dong tam ma'am nga pi gani what is the official theme for the World Art Day 2025 World Art Day 2025 ki official theme se kari no na hangi ka art for unity and healing a garden of expression cultivating community through art and option number C DNA do no algorithm and option number D art and human dignity hide adu taragadi yengminarsi World Art Day karigi damakta celebrated tawribano haiba matamda akhogi mayam soidana ningsing biramagani Leonardo da Vinci mahako honor to boina ka Leonardo da Vinci ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯕꯥꯔꯊ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯔꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯅꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯑꯥꯔꯠ ꯗꯦ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ every year it was celebrated on April 15 April 15ꯗ celebrated ꯇꯧꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯆꯍꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯝꯅ art for unity and healing ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯅꯤꯀꯣ and here ꯁꯤꯒꯤ question number 4ꯒꯤ correct option ꯁꯦ option number A and question number 5 ꯇ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯤ when was World Liver Day 2025 celebrated ko World Liver Day 2025 option number A the 15 April option number B the 20th April and option number C the 19 April and option number D the 17 April and high and here the correct option is option number C 19 April sine atak saigi theme di karino haina haba matam da theme of 2025 se food is medicine haba se theme ne aduna khoi sumba important day and makhoi theme se yamna maru oi ko khoi state ki exam bo or su atop SSC ki banking exam bo or su army ki exam bo or su dum hang bani ko me aduna question number 6 tam yeng minar se when was World Heritage Day 2025 celebrated? World Heritage Day 2025 is celebrated option mari pire ko akoi khangye that is 18 April the World Heritage Day is celebrated ko du handak sahi gi theme di kaino ha ba matam heritage under threat from disaster and conflict ha ba se handak sahi gi theme ni ko heritage under threat from disaster and conflict हाइबसे थीमने दुगा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दे यंगमिनरसी हु वॉन द इंडियन सुपर लीग 2024 and 25 title akai sports ki news ong like ko aina मैम नुंगाई ना बगी दमक experience de hana convenient oina bagi damak question cha akai tonga topic like important days pula punsila kanda akai sports ki appointments ki state news ki state ki or miscellaneous ki tonga khaido kanda dum phajana same obani ko mathang mana na do ta de topic to damo coming to the point ka Indian Super League 2024 and 2025 titles kanana low kibano nang option number A the Mohan Bagan Super Giant and option number B the Mumbai FC option number C the Hyderabad FC and option number D the Bengaluru FC and option mari pire and here okay ISL yengba kambu singchoi na hangmuni option number A Mohan Bagan Super League is the correct option mahana kanabo mai thiba piki Bengaluru FC bu point kya da 2-1 da ko mai thiba piki aduga ma ke final se karam stadium da play tawkhibano haiba madunda Vivekananda Yuva Bharati Krirangan Stadium Kolkata da Vivekananda Yuva Bharati Krirangan Stadium Kolkata da final match play tawkika so with this question number 8 tong yengminarsi what is the name of the official mascot for the 7th edition of the Khelo India Youth Games 2025 symbolizing the strength of an elephant and the courage of a lion official mascot of 7th edition of Khelo India Youth Games 2025 Bihar da pangthokadribse sigi official mascot ki maming gai kobunawan hai ko picture to sure and here the correct option is Gasima marks a mythical creature and men akhona longnai consider tongnai ko like elephant amasung lion na pulla kan the same mythical creature amni akhona longnai picture to sure ko ma so with this question number 9 dam yengminarsi who holds the record for the highest individual score by an Indian in IPL history the Indian amana highest individual score to give a record so kanana hold to bonon hangi ko and here option number A the MS Dhoni option number B the Virat Kohli and option number C the Rohit Sharma and option number D the Abhishek Sharma and hai ko and akhoi soi dang hangi IPL yang bagangbu that is option number D Abhishek Sharma Sunrisers Hyderabad ki better ne marks ko mahakna 55 balls ta 141 runs logdona masigi record se thambang kine masigi previous record se kanana han thamami KL Rahul na hana pathamamba record ne bo KL Rahul ki previous run na 132 runs ne bo ka sigi points se I understand tawren logjarage question number 10 dam yengminarsi who was appointed as the chairperson of the Athletes Commission of the Indian Weightlifting Federation in April 2025 chairperson of IWF oina kana appointed tawkibano hangi option number A the Karnam Maleshwari and option number B the Punam Yadav and option number C the Mirabai Sanu and option number D the Sanjita Sanu option में हम पी रहे and here the correct option is Mirabai Sanu से अखोर कना appointed of chairperson of IWLF that is Indian Weightlifting Federation भी कौन Next to yengminarse, which team won the 15 Hockey India Senior Men National Championship Trophy 2025? 15 Chuba Hockey India Senior Men National Championship Trophy 2025 karamba team na mai pakibano na hangi ko. Option number A Punjab, option number B MP Madhya Pradesh, option number C Haryana, and option number D Odisha. Miyam soidana khangamani that is akhoi Punjab na mai pakki kana mai thiba pirakanda Madhya Pradesh mai hockey Madhya Pradesh mai thiba pirakanda in the point 4 and 1 da 4:1 da ko. So aduga hariba se akhoi yamna famous oiba stadium do final match play tawki that is Major Dhyan Chand Hockey Stadium kadai da laiba UP da laiba ko. So understand tawani na kanjai with this question number 12 oigadumni ko ma'am typing mistake ki dong akbigani. Who won the 2025 Paris Freestyle Chess Grand Slam, defeating Hikaru Nakamura in the final? Hikaru Nakamura was defeated Torokanda 2025 ki Paris Freestyle Grand Slam title, the Chess Grand Slam title, the Kanana Low Kibano. And here the correct option is option power. Option number B, that is Magnus Carlsen, world-renowned chess player, that is Magnus Carlsen. With this question number 13, down in Minarsi. In which event did Indian shooters Suruchi Inder Singh and Saurabh Chaudhary clinch gold medal in the at the 2025 ISSF World Cup held in Lima, Peru. Lima, Peru the pangthokkiba shooting competition amani ISF World Cup da Suruchi Inder Singh amasung Saurabh Chaudhary na goal lawrakhiba adumba event maming kari kaubano hangi. Option number A, the 10-meter air rifle mixed team, and option number B, the 25 rapid fire pistol mixed team, and option number C, the 10-meter air pistol mixed team, and option number D, the 50-meter pistol mixed team. And option mari pire, and here the correct option is option number C, 10-meter air pistol mixed team. Question number 14, the moving minority target. Who made history by becoming the first Indian have any comments? The first Indian or important or any to win the Mistress Club International 2025 title at the pageant held in Shenzhen, China. Shenzhen, China, the Pangtokiba pageant, the Mistress Club International 2025 Lord first Indian do Kanano and Anuradha Gurt, Priyanka Desai, Nandini Gupta, Mohini Sharma. And masigi event se khoi 4th April dagi horakanda 13 April phokta tokiba adumba event amani ka 2025 ki do Shenzhen China da pangthokki aduga IT countries henbadagi pageants mayam amana participate toki aduga da Anuradha Gar na akhoi Mistress Club International 2025 ki title lawraki. With this question number 15 down in minority, who was appointed as the chairperson of the ICC Men's Cricket Committee in April 2025. ICC Men's Cricket Committee ki chairperson oin amuk appointed to kido kana no na hangi ko sidi myam hana loin khanga woni. Option number A, the Anil Kumble, option number B, the Mahela Jayawardena, option number C, the Saurav Ganguly, and option number D, the Ricky Ponting. And here the correct option is option number C, that is the Saurav Ganguly is the correct option ka. Question number 16, the wing minority. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR in April 2025. April 2025 the Director General of ICAR oina kanabo appointed to non hangi. Option number A, the Dr. Himanshu Pathak, option number B, the Dr. Trilosan Mohapatra, and option number C, the Dr. Mangilal Jat, and option number D, the Dr. Ramesh San. Sidi mayam so idana khang biro magani mayam so option choose to biro. That is here option number C, Dr. Mangilal Jat is the correct option ka. And question number 17, now in Minarsi, who was appointed as the Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court in April 2025. Jammu and Kashmir amasung Ladakh High Court ki Chief Justice oina kanabo appointed to kibunon hangi. Justice Tasi Rapstan, Justice Arun Pali, Justice N. Kotishore Singh, and Justice Rahul Bharti. And here the correct option is Justice Arun Pali, marks the Judge of the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Punjab and Haryana High Court ka. This point Birani, who secured a decisive victory in Ecuador's 2025 presidential election. Ecuador's 2025 presidential election the Kanana victory lo oikibanana hangi ka, and Ecuador have a say South Africa South America South Africa na take me marak ngang bada so ki yauta so me na pigini South America western coast laiba western coast laiba domba country amani aduga masida Daniel Nabona akoigi decisive victory phangbangam ki ka maki rival kanadagi Luisa Gonzalez tagi 1 million votes helaga 1 million votes helaga Ma'am, so understand the again with this question number 19 damu yeminarsi. Who has been recommended by the current Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna to assume office as the 52nd Chief Justice of India on May 14, 2025. Kanabu recommended to the current Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna na maki successor o hona bugi damakta 52nd Chief Justice oina Kanabu recommend to bono nangi ko haiba 52nd Chief Justice to maki function se mahang start se zoom to bo hogdu se May 14 2025 to ge hogodom later Justice Uday Umesh Lalila Justice Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai and option number C the Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and option number D is the Justice N.B. Ramana, and here the correct option is option number B, that is Justice B.R. Gavai ko mahak po akoy kanana recommend or remember Sanjeev Khanna ko. So with this question number 20 daw yung nurse akoy defense ki news slide. Where is the 6th edition of the India-Uzbekistan Joint Military Exercise, the SLEC 6 being conducted in April 2025? India ka Uzbekistan ki Joint Military Exercise, that is the SLEC 6 se maki 6th edition se kadai da conducted tawbano na hangi Pune India, Termes Uzbekistan, Pithoragarh Uttarakhand, New Delhi India, and here the correct option is Pune India da ka. With this question number 21 where was the third edition of the Indian Navy's Meteorological and Oceanological Symposium Megayan 25 held in April 2025. Indian Navy Meteorological and Oceanological Symposium ki third edition maming na kikoba Megayan 25 se kadai da pangthok ke bano na hangi ko, and here the correct option is akoi option ning the correct option the jump to option number D Nausina Bhawan Delhi da pangthok ki ko Megayan 25 se aduga high was virtually kanan inaugurated okay have matam virtually inaugurated okay ko inaugurated by Chief of Naval Staff that is Chief of Naval Staff Maming Ma'am. So then Kangbiramoni Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi. Dinesh K. Tripathi. Admiral Nika. Mang number virtually inaugurated token. With this question number 22, young minority. Where will the 15th BRICS Agricultural Minister meeting be held on April 17, 2025? April 17, 2025 the BRICS की 15 सुबह edition BRICS Agricultural Minister meeting से कदाई रपंग थोक तिनोन हंगे New Delhi India, Beijing China, and Brazil, Cape Town South Africa. Option mari pire ko, and here the correct option is that is Brazil the pangthok ko ni ko aduga Indian delegation se kanana let or so tino har mutun da ko Union Agricultural Minister that is Shivraj Singh Chauhan let out duni ko Indian delegation sing do mase ko Union Agricultural Minister ne sign to na ko minister gi news ta yaw ko minister maming sing juni sing ba fai ko mamang gi ko SSC gi GD exam da minister maming chu dum hang ba thengram gani GD gi experience sing ko. With this question number 23 damu yang minarsi in April 2025 India successfully demonstrated a weapon system capable of neutralizing fixed wing aircraft, missiles, and swarm drones. What type of system was this ko? Karamba makal ki system non hangi very short range air defense system la 30 kilowatt reserve based directed energy weapon system la advanced swarm drone interceptor hypersonic surface to air missile line option mari pire masi ki system cha koi DRDO maming soi taramani mahakna kaino tawba demonstrated tawkiba adumba system amni ko develop tawba hai tare ko DRDO na develop tawba DRDO have the defense research and development organization have ni ko defense research and development organization aduga haiba system se akogi wing aircraft missiles amasung kadoba swarm drones ke neutralize tawba ngamne na haiba and mark weapons gi maming akoin 30 kilowatt laser based directed energy weapon system MK2A kawaiba ko option number B is the correct option. Question number 24 da mo yung minersi do taragati which international naval force under operation Atlanta has proposed a joint naval exercise with the Indian Navy. Karamba international naval force na noon hangi ko do taragati option jinji yung minersi. Option number A the Asian Maritime Task Force. Option number B the European Union Naval Force. Option number C the African Union Naval Command, and option number D the NATO Allied Maritime Command. And here the correct option is option number B, European Union Naval Force ko mokoi se akoi mi gi losilakpa side Western Indian Ocean amasung Western Indian Ocean and Red Sea da pangthoknabagidamagta schedule torakanda May losilakpa May 2025 end of May 2025 haitare end of May 2025 sida schedule torakanda laine. So with this question number 25 tong yung minersi in April 2025 India withdrew a transshipment facility that previously allowed which countries export to third countries via Indian land borders. Option number A Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar and option mari pire ko India na hana janaramba hai tare ko India na export tawbagi mokoi countries to gi third countries to export tawrapagi transshipment facility do hojik India na withdrew tawkre na hai ko Indian land borders for akanda torambado ado karamba country da no na hai ko India na withdrew to and here akhoi khang that is India ko je kitang conflict thokna riba relation phatna driba that is akhoi neighboring country that is Bangladesh Muhammad Yunus ki ka next akhoi question number 26 to yang minersi which state become the first state in India to implement the categorization of reservation in scheduled caste in the state. Option number A Telangana, option number B Bihar, and option number C Uttar Pradesh, and option number D Sikkim. Karamba Indian state na ihan hanba Indian state oirabage and high sigi akhoi background hapetang ing minasi akhoi ge masigi question sigi background se karino have to come minus 1st August 2024 da akhoi ge Supreme Court na akhoi ge state government da lairibe state government se da empower tawkreba kaidonabagidamagta schedule caste amasung schedule tribes singsta reservation purpose kidamagta schedule caste amasung schedule tribe ta reservation purpose kidamagta makhoi sisu reservation purpose kidamagta makhoi sisu classify tawba yare haidi sub classification tawba yarani hena like hoi OBC da su creamy layer kind like that sub classification subclass like that sub classification to bayarani hena Supreme Court na state government the empower to kriba nokoi na sana sagi state ni na sana sagi state to zo hena masigi system ji hana implement to kram state na oikro gen hang mane and here option number A Telangana is the correct option ko next question number 27 the young minership what is the name of the new land record management portal launched by the Telangana government in April 2025 land management record ki damakta anauba portal do karamba Telangana government launch ogiba anauba portal do dui maming kari ko bano na hange ko dharani kobra bhubarati ma bhumi and right to bandhu ina akogi hai de ko and here the correct option is that is bhubarati ko duga matang sida akoi masigi portal se kanana launch obano ha matam Telangana ge chief minister that is a Revan Reddy na koi ko a Revan Reddy akhoi mayam state ki chief minister si jo news to yaw ta din sing ma thau tai ko hantak to su GD gi question da Tamil Nadu gi chief minister hang ki bu ko masi 14 April 2025 ta launch to ki ba domba portal amani ko akhoi Telangana gi chief minister a Revan Reddy na. So with this question number 28 in April 2025 Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for the third unit of the Dibandhu Soturam thermal power plant in his state. Hariba Dibandhu Soturam thermal power plant se karam state ta Prime Minister Narendra Modi no foundation stone le to kimnon hangi Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and here the correct option is Haryana. Haryana to to kibni ka. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯋꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ 800 ꯃꯦꯒꯥꯋꯥꯠ ꯐꯦꯁꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯒꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯋꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯜꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯨꯄꯔꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯊꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠꯅꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯀꯣꯚꯔ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯅ 233 ꯑꯦꯀꯔꯁ ꯀꯣꯚꯔ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯁꯅ ꯔꯨꯄꯤꯁ 8,470 crores ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯛꯁꯤꯃꯦꯠꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯁꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯀꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯦ ꯊꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯋꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯦ. So with this question number 28, I understand and question number 29, which Indian state recently established the Korean Joseph Committee to review center-state relation. Center-state relation review the Korean Joseph Committee se karamba state na karamba Indian state na established option number A Kerala, option number B Tamil Nadu, option number C West Bengal, option number D Punjab. And here the correct option is option number B Kanana. Tamil Nadu ki CM MK Stalin announced on 15 April announced understand with this question number 30 which state police launched the GP Drashti drone program. GP Drashti drone program the current state police launched Kerala, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Odisha and option mari pireka. So akhoi yengminarsi masigi drone program se kari gidamakta launch tawbana ha matamda makhogi state to laiba law enforcement tawbu matamda hena modernize oina bagi damakta launch tawba domba program amne aduga GP habagi arthadi Gujarat police habne aduna here the correct option is Gujarat ka GP Gujarat police ka. With this number 31 down yengminarsi in April 2025 the foundation stone for India's first gallium nitrate based semiconductor. First, India's gallium nitrate based semiconductor manufacturing plant was led in his Indian city, Indian city, the known hangi Bengaluru, Karnataka, Dara, option B, the Hyderabad, Telangana, Dara, Naba, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, Dara, and option B, the Gandhinagar, Gujarat, and option B. So, and here the correct option is Naba, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, Danika. Haribase Kanana inaugurated foundation is on Kanana Leto Bonahamatan, the Chhattisgarh Chief Minister, there is Kanana Vishnu Dio Saina inaugurated Toban. Question number 31 Lore, question number 32 Minarshi. Where was the 2-day international conclave title Buddha Dhamma and the culture of Northeast India held in April 2025. Option number A Assam, option number B Sikkim, option number C Meghalaya, and option number D Arunachal Pradesh. Akoi khangi masigi conclave se April 21 dagi horakanda April 22 phokta chatta gadoba conclave amani ko 2-day gi conclave amani aduga masigi conclave ase akoi International Buddhist Confederation, that is IBC have the International Buddhist Confederation and Ministry of Culture Gapulakanda Ministry of Culture Mabani na collaborated Torakanda Pangthokpa Adombo Conclave Amani Aduga Haribase Arunachal Pradesh to Pangthoki Arunachal Pradesh ki Nam Sai Hariba from the Patoki Vanika Pangthoki Aduga. Next question young Minarshi, question number 13 in April 2025 which Indian state declared establishment of a new wildlife sanctuary in honor of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar akoibu maku honor to boina Maki Mamingda no wildlife sanctuary ama Indian state amana launched or established organi in high adu Indian state to come banon high, and here the correct option is Madhya Pradesh nika. Madhya Pradesh is the correct option ka. Aduga B.R. Ambedkar gi masi maming che maki gi wildlife sanctuary ki maming gi B.R. Ambedkar gi maming lawro thondok ni na kari na kaure ha matan Bhimrao Ambedkar Abhiyaran Koiba masigi wildlife sanctuary ki maming ka aduga se maki 134th birth anniversary of B.R. Ambedkar da akoi announce tokibani ka B.R. anniversary of kada mark se kamba B.R. Ambedkar se akoi 14 April 1891 da pokki ko aduna ma ki 14 April se birth anniversary oina akhoi celebrated to BR Ambedkar gi aduga hantak sahi gi 134 birth anniversary da announce to kimni kana na Madhya Pradesh na BR Ambedkar gi maming lorokanda mokoi wildlife sanctuary ma establish torani aduga wildlife sanctuary gi maming dana Bhimrao Ambedkar Abhyaran kaubani na ko koi Bhimrao Ambedkar gi atopa pointing singba yaba hai taragati markse father of Indian constitution har kanda khangnai aduga markse posthumously Bharat Ratna awarded tauki Bharat Ratna posthumously awarded taubani ko kyamba sahida 1990 da posthumously habri mahakna laikhidra matung shikhra matung hana habani ko the question number 34 the Ong University in April 2025 the traditional Senai and Tabla from whose Indian city were awarded the geographical indication tag GI tag recognizing their cultural and musical heritage called GI gi question like Indian traditional Senai and Tabla se kamba Indian city the ginon hangbani ko option number A Lucknow Jaipur option number C the Varanasi and option number D Kolkata and here the correct option is Varanasi ginika. Question number 35 Tong Yung Minority in April 2025 which Indian state's traditional textile Rinjia silk and Khasi handloom were awarded the geographical indication tag recognizing their cultural and artisanal significance. So according to Khasi palakode dong khang money that is from Meghalaya. Option number C is the correct option of this question. Question number 35 is lower. Question number 36 Tong Yung Minority which airport was named the world best airport for the 13th time at the Skytrax World Airport Awards 2025 held in Madrid. Madrid ta pangthokhiba Skytrax World Airport Awards 2025 ta karamba airport bu 13 jubo oina world best airport ki mana pi khibno na hange ka hoi option number A da Hamad International Airport, option number B da Tokyo Haneda Airport, option number C da Singapore Changi Airport and option number D da Incheon International Airport and hide. And we all know that here the correct option is Singapore Changi Airport. Aduga Hamad International Airport na second and Tokyo na third. Sijo khangzin gadobani. Question number 37 according to the Airports Council International ACI World Report 2024, what was the ranking of Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport among the world's busiest airport? World ki busiest airport ki manungda Indira Gandhi International Airport na kya subar rank ta laibano na hangi ko according to the Airport Council International World Report 2024 ki matungina 7 8 9 10 ko ditade akhoi khangye Indira Gandhi International Airport se kya super rank ta laibano habadi 9 super rank ta laikon. Here option number C is the correct option. Ahanba first rank ta na kya lai karamba airport Atlanta Airport ko Atlanta Airport ka USA gi and second rank ta na akhoi Dubai Airport Dubai UAE gi ko. Sigi pointing so I understand the rank lower again. Next question number 38 what is the rank of India in automobile producing in the world according to the Niti Aayog? Automobile producing sector da koi India gi rank sa kya no Niti Aayog ki matung ina hai hangi bu question sina second rank la third la fourth la and fifth la and here akoi khangi ahan bada China laire ahan bada China laire next USA laire and third ta Japan laire so and India ki rank sina fourth chubani and here option C is the correct option. Question number 39 da mo yengminar sidu taragadi which institution launched the report titled Unlocking $25 plus billion export potential India's hand and power tool sector in April 2025. Karamba institution launched over hari report cheka. Option number A the Ministry of Commerce and Industry and option number B the Niti Aayog and option number C the Federation of the Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry FICCI and option number D the Confederation of Indian Industry CII. Si kanana launch to bono masigi report se kaidawno bono and hybrid haptang hana khangina kisika masigi report se khoi India's ki exports in hand and power tool sector the India's ki exports enhance on bagi damangta launch to ba adomba roadmap strategic report amane strategic roadmap report amane onko sanjarake ko me masigi report se khoi ni strategic roadmap report amani kedona bagi damakta India's key export in the sector of hand and power tools da India's ki export se enhance tawna bagi damakta launch toba adumba report amne aduga India na pandam thammi kai pandam thammi akhoi 2035 fauta 25 billion dollar gi export achieve tawna bagi damakta ka aduga sigi sector sida akhoi 3.5 million job create tawna bagi damakta pandam thamli aduna masigi report se niti ayakna launch tawbane मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 जो आई अंडरस्टैंड तौरें लौजरगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 दमु मोकन तौमिनारसी यंगमिनारसी इन व्हिच ईयर वाज रिनाउंड कथक डांसर कुमुदिनी लाखिया कन्फर्ड विथ पद्मा विभूषण इंडिया सेकेंड हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड को पद्मा विभूषण से इंडिया की सेकेंड हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड नि मासिकाम बसहिदा कन्फर्ड तौकिनो ना हंगे हाई को कुमुदिनी लाखिया से 2005 2010 2020 2025 and here the correct option is 2025 Marxist laikidam matungda posthumously awarded tawbane aduga hariba kumudini lakhya harbise mahak hana padma shri su phangre padma shri kamba sahida 1997 da aduga padma bhushan su phangre padma bhushan kamba sahida 2010 da phangre ka padma bhushan su so with this I question number 40 so I understand our question number 41 down in minors whose classical and ancient Indian texts were recently inscribed in UNESCO memory of the world registers bringing India's total inscription to 14 hana India's ki inscription je UNESCO ki memory of the world register 12 lerambadagi jik 14 chukre the 14 chu da hapchi lakriba akogi India ki ancient Indian text ani do du kari no na han option number A the Ramcharitmanas and Panchatantra option number B the Bhagavad Gita and Natya Shastra and option number C the Vedas and Upanishads and option number D the Mahabharata and Ramayana and Hari and here the correct option is Bhagavad Gita and Natya Shastra when khange Bhagavad Gita se 700 verse chawba dumba Hindu scripture amane si petang basic ni ko si khangjin view question adum hang pasu jai ko do Natya Shastra se koi Bharat Muni ne iramba adumba ancient scripture amani Bharat Muni ki kari maram da like theater dance music arts makhal mathil maram da ko aduna question number 41 is I understand Romani and logic question number 42 dong yang minarsi which waterway is designated as national waterway number 1 national waterway number 1 when kan waterway designated to non hai ko Brahmaputra river West Coast Canal Ganga Bhagirathi Hooghly river system East Coast Canal and option mari pide and here the correct option is option number C Ganga Bhagirathi Hooghly river system sibo koina ka national waterway number 1 when designated to aduga Brahmaputra river na masigi asang bacham tang han haijaram ge ko 1620 km sang e ko aduga Brahmaputra river na national waterway number 2 when designated to ma kya sang bana kya I91 km sangi aduga West Coast Canal na akogi national waterway number 3 when designated to ma kya sang bana 205 km sangi aduga the East Coast Canal habisna ka hoi masidi masigi se national waterway number kaya no East Coast Canal dilai tu male komya sumain tawdana akhoi amtang yeng biro ai si je confuse kitang chala East Coast Canal ge se ko ado sigi question number sigi question sigi correct option je option number C ko with this I question 42 solution jara question number 43 dam yeng minors in April 2025 Indian Railways introduced its first ever onboard ATM on which train ko Indian Railways na ma ki han ba railway da yaujaba ATM introduce to we masi yam fazaba initiative ne at the same time yam dangerous oi initiative ni ko India se kitang sathi bilam ni na huran bi gi ju kana khang ba natra Mumbai Hingoli Jasatabdi Express tara or Mumbai Manmat Panchpati Express or New Delhi Amritsar Shatabdi Express and somebody Chennai Coimbatore Intercity Express and Highway and here the correct option is akhoi Panchpati Express tani option number B is the correct option ka aduga hairiba se kari initiative ki makha da no haiba matam da ATM on wheels haiba initiative tu ki makha da purak pane aduga si kana collaboration to kanda to no haiba matam da Bank of Bank of Maharashtra ga collaborate tawrakan tawbane. Sigi point si I understand tawren lawjage. Question number 44 da ong yengminarse. Which company launched the first ever all-women space tourism crew on April 14, 2025 as part of its new Shepherd NS-31 mission? NS-31 mission gi makhada hana ko Shepherd NS-31 mission gi makhada karamba company na April 14, 2025 ta ma ki hana hanba first all ever women space tourism crew launch tawkibno na hangi ko 6 women chatkibdo even including Katy Perry aduga viral jam chatkibdo antang news to Katy Perry ne lei ga pai dana hek art yorpaga art ki prithvi gi lei mai de suptana ga tawkib kiss tawdana ga tawkibdo ko adoni the mind tawdana option je SpaceX NASA Blue Origin Virgin Galactic ka CDM am so dina khangi ramoni yam viral chatni and here the correct option is Blue Origin ka. Question number 45 tong yung minarse, which institution has developed India's first automated bed monitoring system called Bed Ecomon ka bed bed ecomon habni ka habdi karino habi matam bed ecolocation monitoring hana habni ko is a bed ecolocation monitoring hana habni Sise karamba Indian Institute launch tawbna. Option number A the Indian Institute for Human Settlement Bengaluru and Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, National Center for Biological Science Bengaluru, and last option the Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee and option repeat. And here the correct option is masi correct option is option number A Indian Institute of Human Settlement IISS Bengaluru na launch tawbani ka develop tawbani. Question number 46 tawng yung minarse in April 2025 whose Indian startup launched Q-Shield, the world first cyber important quantum safe cybersecurity platform. Quantum safe cybersecurity platform ihan hanba Q-Shield kauba masise karamba world gi on ihan hanba Q-Shield kauba quantum safe cybersecurity platform se karamba Indian gi startup na launch obonon hangi ka. Option number A the Tata Consultancy Service, option number B the Quantum Safe, option number C the Q and U Labs, and option number D the Y Pro and option repeat. And here the correct option is option number C, that is Q and U Labs ka. Mayam so ina news to yarom ning khangamani ka. And okay matang sida nasigi weekly current affairs ki 14 to 20 April ki weekly current affairs ki video class sim tang sida loijare duga PDF important updates on daily quiz pamba daily quiz ki damo still now singna Telegram channel da join tawsin biro aduga mamang da su aina weekly current affairs ki video sem dun laijakre aduga atopa important oiba topic sing this topic wise oina class ki am sa thari akhoi SSC gi and atopa government exams ki army KK gi railways ki dudai dum important oiga du class ngakani haiba sing do ai description da link soidan hapchang gi amtang go through tobiu yamna kana gani ni khanjai aduga WhatsApp par basil now wisu WhatsApp group WhatsApp channel hangduna thamjari ai description da link hapchang gi aduga mayam na ai gi channel sidagi and ai gi video sidagi kana ba khajik tang oisu phangi na kan bi taragde experience na like share and subscribe obo ko bigino haina ning singjari masiyara kanda amuk hana experience bu mayam bu thagat chari thank you.